Hello. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Oh, I was doing this thing yesterday where it's bugging out. Hello, guys. Can you hear me? Let me know. Hello, welcome, welcome. Hello, GCSE Revision. Welcome, my friend. Hello, Boring. Welcome, welcome. Good to have you back on the call. Hope you're well. Right, guys. We're going to start obviously shortly here. So we're going to start by looking at some foundation, actually, foundation tier stuff. Okay. And then non-calculator, yeah. But also, hello, GCSE Revision. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Okay. Welcome, guys. Hope you're all well. Hope you're all well. Let me know. Is it all clear this time? Hello, Rosalind. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So, guys, today, as usual, yeah, we're going to go through, just some practice questions. Okay. This is appropriate, of course, for the OCR foundation, for the non-calculator paper. Okay. But it's also appropriate for AQA foundation and also EdXR foundation. Okay. And it's still good revision for the higher tier. Okay. We will look at some high tier. Actually, thank you, actually, for your love for liking. Actually, thank you for liking. Hello, Libs. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you on the call. Hello, user 677. Hello, Simba. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you on the call. Hello, Rimmer. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well, guys. Hope you're all well. Good evening, good evening. Hope you're all well. We will start, guys, when we hit 1K likes, okay? We'll make a start, okay? And I'll try and cover a bit more, obviously, tonight as well. Okay? Make sure, guys, give us a follow, guys, okay? So you're notified of when I go live, okay? So give us a follow if you can, guys, as well. Okay? Hey, are we going to be able to do a foundation question? Yes, we can, yes. Yes, N, we can. Today we can, absolutely, yes. Okay, so these questions are aimed at the foundation tier. Okay, Libs, I can't actually answer that. Actually, unfortunately, I can't actually answer that on like a live stream. Actually, I apologise. Okay, right, guys, we'll make a start in just a few seconds. Okay, start with grade 1 topics and go up to grade 5. Okay, so this PowerPoint looks at the foundation tier questions for the non-calculator paper. Hello, Haley. Welcome, welcome. What days do I go live? So at the minute, it's actually every day, okay, in the evenings. Hello, Beth. Welcome, welcome. Okay, I'm trying to do a mixture. And what time? This is the first time I found you're like, okay. So normally, for me, it is actually going to be actually the actual evenings, So give us a follow, okay. Square number is 18, or not actually quite 18 this year, so not quite 18. Double check that, buddy. Thank you, N, for the follow. Thank you so much, N, for the follow. Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community experience, okay. No worries. Right, guys, we'll make a start, okay, when we hit 1K likes, okay. Guys, this is good revision for your exams, upcoming exams, okay. Well done, Dosh. Yes, that is correct. Yes. Okay. Tap the screen, guys. Okay. Thank you, Footy, for the follow. Thanks so much, Footy, for the follow. Guys, make sure you press that follow button tonight. Okay. Thank you, Footy, for the follow. Actually, everyone in the chat, guys. Yes, spot on, Dosh. You are actually correct. Yes. Okay. So these are key numbers to remember, particularly for your non-calculator paper. Okay. For higher and for foundation. Okay. Hello, Abdullah. Welcome, welcome. Underscore 211. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Right, guys, we're about to pop 1,000. About to hit. About to hit. Thank you, Footy, for liking. Thank you, Footy, for liking. Thank you, user, for liking. Right, guys, we will now make a start. Okay, thank you for 1K likes, guys. Okay, hello, I think TV. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Yes, S. You're right now. Yes, S. They are the square numbers. Okay, so let's start. Hello, my friend. Hello. Hope you're well. Right, guys, let's make a start. Okay, so your square numbers, your cube numbers, and your prime numbers. Okay, so here they are, guys. Okay, so square numbers are made by multiplying a number by itself. So 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is, yes, spot on S. Yeah, okay, thank you, Footy, for liking. Okay, awesome. Okay, so a square number here, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is going to be 25. Okay, 6 squared makes 36, so on and so forth. Okay, so learn these ones for your upcoming exams. Okay, so me personally, for GCSE Maths here, I learnt 1 to 15, and then the cube numbers here, I learnt 1 to 5, and then 10. And then for the prime numbers, I learned up to about 31. Okay, but again, if you obviously screenshot it, yeah, obviously take a note. Okay, so can I move on, guys? Are there any questions? Hey, I haven't seen you in live actually. Oh, awesome, Neil. Hello, Neil. Welcome, my friend. Long time actually, a long time. Hope you're well. Thank you, S, for liking. Thank you, S, for liking. Oh, awesome. Thank you for the poll. Okay, move on. Okay, so just so you remember, guys, yeah, a prime number is a number that has two factors, one in itself. A really common mistake. Okay, students think that 0 is a prime number and 1 is a prime number. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. Okay, the first even prime number is 2, and the rest of the prime numbers are going to be odd numbers. Okay, thank you, S, for liking. One second, guys, 1 second. Sorry, 1 sec. Okay, so back to this, guys. Let me know, guys. Can you hear me? Sorry about that. I apologize, guys. My mum was just shouting me. I'd apologize. Okay. So sorry. Were there any questions? Yep, Sammy. Yep. So 16, yeah, is a square number. Yep. Okay, 16 is a square number. Okay. So there we are. Okay, just quickly. Okay, awesome. Yep, no questions. Yes, Nima. Yep. Did you see, my friend? Yes. What did you see? Yep. Okay. Did you see foundation? Okay. We're looking at some negative numbers. Yeah, again, these are like classic questions, guys. Here for the foundation tier. Okay, so let's give these questions a go. Okay, -6 plus 2, okay, makes -4. Okay, if you're adding to a negative, okay, the number gets bigger, so it gets closer to 0. So it becomes -4. No worries. Yeah, no worries, Nima. No worries. Yes, S, yep. And we do angles. We can do, yes, Corey. This is foundation, yes. We can do angles, yes, at some point, okay? Spot on S, yep. No worries. No worries, Nima. No worries, my friend. It's good to see you as well. A long time. Oh, there we go. Sorry, -4. Okay, spot on. Okay, next one is -8, guys. You are correct. Yep, spot on. Well done, Mario. Well done, S. Yep, well done, S. That is correct. Yep, it is -8. Okay, if you're subtracting, remember the number gets smaller. Okay, so think of your number line like this. Okay, if you're subtracting, you're going this way. If you're subtracting, and if you're adding, you're going this way. Okay, for that. Okay, this next one, minus 6 times minus 2. Again, this trips us, yeah, yeah, this actually trips us, yeah, this trips us, yeah, students quite large, yeah, yep, spot on S, you are correct, yep. So minus 12, okay. I don't know why it's doing that, I apologize, guys. So minus 12, okay. When the signs are different and when you multiply or divide, it becomes a minus, okay. This next one, what is minus 6 times minus 2? It's all right, Mario. What did you say, Mario? 6? Oh, no worries. It's all right. So minus times minus makes a positive, so it'd be positive 12. So well done if you got that, guys. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. Again, the signs are the same, so the answer will be positive. So it'd be positive 3. 6 divided by minus 2. So positive divided by negative makes a negative, so it'd be negative 3 or minus 3. Okay, again, this is a super hot topic here, particularly, okay, on the foundation tier, Edexcel, AQA, and OCR papers here, at the start of the non-calculator actually papers here. So make a note of that, guys. Okay, so practice your negative numbers, okay, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing negative numbers. Okay, hello, Amal, welcome. It's good to have you. Well done, guys. Yep, spot on. You are correct. Yes. Makes sense? Are there any questions, guys, or can I move on? Okay, we will also do some higher here today. Okay, so we're starting up with some foundation, and then we will do a higher tier, obviously PowerPoint as well. Okay, we did the higher tier version of this year last night. Okay, so we'll now look at a higher tier version of a calculator paper. Okay, thank you. Okay, awesome. Okay, minus 4, minus 8, 12, minus 1 here, 12, 3, and minus 3. Okay, spot on. Okay, so first worded question. There are 312 chairs, okay, and 13 classrooms in a primary school. Each classroom has the same number of chairs. How many chairs are there in each classroom? I'm going to do 312 divided by 13. Okay, to work out the number of chairs there are in each classroom, okay, or in one classroom. Okay, thank you, Maria, for liking. Thank you so much, Maria, for liking. Hello, Nicholas Smith. Welcome. Thank you, Maria, for liking. Thank you for liking, guys. I appreciate it. Hello, Audrey. Hello, Lisa. Welcome. 13s into 3, I can't do. 13s into 31, go twice with a remainder of 5. 13 into 52 goes 4 times. So there's 24 chairs in each classroom. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Okay. Again, very common topic for a contextual question for a foundation tier paper. Okay. For that one. Okay. Awesome. Okay. 24. Okay, next question here is a bit more tricky now. Looking at some prime factors, okay, product of prime factors. Which of the following statements are true? So m is equal to 2 times 3 squared times 5. So let's work out here. So m is equal to 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. So what's that going to give us? Well, 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. And then 18 times 5 makes 90. So m is equal to 90. Okay, so first point, m is the prime number. Okay, is 90 a prime number, guys? Yes or no in the chat? Is 90 a prime number? Yes or no? Hello, is welcome. It's good to have you. So is 90 prime? Well, it's not because it's even, right? Because it's even. So I can half it is divisible by 3 and by 5 and by 10. So it's got multiple factors. Remember, a prime number has exactly 2 factors, one in itself. So m is not prime. No. Is it a multiple of 6? Well, it's a multiple of 3. Is it a multiple of 6? So let's just check. So 90 divided by 6. So let's just do a quick bus stop if we're not sure. Okay. The answer is actually yes here, but we'll just obviously confirm it. 6 into 9 goes once, with 3 left over. 6 into 30 goes 5 times, it goes in 15 times. Okay, so yes, it is a multiple of 6, that is right, okay? Or a factor of 6, okay, either one. Okay. M is a square number, so is 90 a square number, guys? Yes or no in the chat? Hello, Charlize, welcome, welcome. Hello, Jane, welcome, welcome. Guys, make sure you press that follow button if you can, guys. Okay, make sure you press that follow button if you can. Thank you, Maria, for liking. Thanks so much, Maria, for liking. So, is 90 a square number? Thank you, Maria, for liking. Hello, RM. Welcome. Thank you, Maria, for liking. I appreciate that. Okay, yep. So, Chintan Nanji, yep, says no, so you are actually right. Yep, you are exactly right. So, it's not a square number, okay, because the square root of 90 is not a whole number, and you can check on your calculator if you're not sure, okay. The last digit of M is 0. Well, that's yes, that's actually plain and simple. So that is right, yes. So tick, cross, tick, okay, for that, okay. There we go. Okay, awesome. Well done, guys. Okay. And thank you, BA George, for following. Guys, if you're not following, guys, please press that follow button if you can. Okay, press that follow button. It's free to obviously follow, guys, and I really obviously appreciate it. Okay, and any gifts here are, of course, actually welcome, guys. Okay, Isla and Ben earn both earn the same amount of money. The same monthly salary. Isla saves 15% of her salary. Ben saves 1/5 of his salary. Okay, work out who saves the most in each month. Okay, so there are two ways, yeah, to obviously work this out, guys. Yeah, okay, we're comparing which is smaller, 15% or 1/5. Now, hopefully, you have it here. This is here. So 1/5 as a percentage is actually 20%. Because if I multiply this fraction by 100, okay, remember a fraction to a percentage times it by 100, 1/5 times 100. I can go through circumcision here at some point, but yeah, if I get a chance, yes. You're saying Ben, okay, and you would obviously be exactly correct. Yes. Okay, 20%. Okay, so the answer is Ben, okay, because Isla saves less than 20%. Okay, so it's comparing your fraction decimals. Yep, spot on, Jupiter. You are correct. Yes. Hello, Daisy. Welcome. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thanks so much, Lisa, for liking. Ben, yep. Yep, Dylan, you are right. Yep, spot on, Dylan. You are correct, my friend. Yep. Awesome, awesome. Can I move on, guys? Make sense? Hello, RB. Welcome, welcome. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay. Then there we go. Okay, so a fraction of an amount, okay, fraction of a quantity. So here we divide by the bottom and times by the top. So 40 divided by 5, okay, and then multiply it by 1. So divide by the denominator and then multiply by the numerator. Okay, again, this is a super common question on the foundation tier. Okay, it's nice, easy marks. You get the answer of 8. Okay, yes, it is, Mario. Yes, it is. Yep. So this is actually non-calculator here. So these questions here are actually designed for the non-calculator paper for the foundation tier. Okay, but bits of it may also be appropriate for the higher tier non-calculator. Okay. Okay. Next one. 3/8 of 48. So again, divide by the bottom times by the top. So 48 divided by 8 and then times it by 3. 48 divided by 8 is going to be 6. 6 times 3 is going to be 18. So the second answer is going to be 18, okay? And that's a fraction of an amount, okay? Divide by the bottom, times by the top. Yep, spot on, Lisa. Yep, spot on, Lisa. Well done, Lisa. Spot on. Good work, okay? Good work, Lisa. Okay. So you can times it first year, but me personally, divide it to make the number easier each year, make it smaller, and then times it, okay? So this is the way that I actually teach you. So this is a fraction of an amount, guys. Yeah, you divide by the bottom and then times by the top. Okay, but you can times by the top here and divide by the bottom. Actually, that's all fine. Okay. Hello, creator. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Okay, 8 and 18. Okay. So again, looking at some fractions. Okay. So which one is going to give us the greatest value? So let's do the multiplying first. Okay. Thank you, Mario, for liking. Thanks so much, Mario, for liking. I appreciate that. Okay. So when you multiply fractions, multiply top by top, I get 6, and bottom by bottom, I get 20. I get 6/20ths, okay, which simplifies to 3/10ths. Okay, dividing fractions, I use the flip change or keep change flip, okay, either one. Thank you, Mario, for liking. Okay, it becomes 3/4, okay, you flip the second fraction and then change it to a multiply. Then it's top by top and bottom by bottom. Okay, 3 by 5 makes 15, and then 4 by 2 makes 8. So we get 15/8, guys. Okay, for that. Okay, so that is how we divide fractions, guys. Okay. Okay. When we add fractions, okay, I like to use here what I call the butterfly method. So we cross and multiply here. So we do 3 times 5 plus 4 times 2, and then divided by the denominators being multiplied together. So I'll say again, it's here. So 5 times 3 makes 15. 4 times 2 makes 8. So we get 15 plus 8 divided by the product of the denominators. So 4 times 5 makes 20. So I'm going to get 20 there. So my final answer becomes 23/20ths. Okay. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thanks so much, Lisa, for liking. Okay. Right, guys. This one, obviously, yeah, it's going to be smaller. Okay, so that one I can ignore. Okay, because my answer gets smaller. Okay, but if you're unsure, you do 3 times 5, which makes 15, then minus 4 times 2, which is 8. So 15, subtract 8 over the product of the denominators. So 4 times 5 is going to be 20. So I'm going to get the answer of 7/20ths. Okay, so it's not the bottom left one. Okay, it is either top left or bottom right. Okay, so which one are we saying, guys? Okay, we've got 23/20ths. Okay, and we've got 15/8ths. Okay, now writing them as mixed numbers. Okay, I have 1 and 3/20ths. Okay, when you get an answer that you can simplify, so you simplify. Yes, Lisa. Yes, yes. That is my advice. Yes. Okay. Yep. That is also my advice personally. Yes, Lisa. Yes. Okay. Where possible, yes. So where possible, simplify your answer if you can. Okay, but it depends obviously on the context. Okay, if you're looking at some probability questions, then probability, yeah, you don't actually have to actually simplify that. Actually, yeah, but where possible, if you can, simplify your fraction here because it obviously makes it a bit easier to actually deal with it. If that makes sense. Okay, but yeah, thank you for actually asking that question. Okay, so you logic, no need to come those. Okay, yes, spot on. Okay, so you can see that I'm going to get 1 and 7/8. Hopefully here we can now see that 1 and 3/20ths is smaller than 1 and 7/8. Okay, therefore the bottom right one is going to be the answer. Okay, yep, thank you, actually, Brandon. Yep, thank you, Brandon. Okay, well done, buddy. Okay, that also works. Okay, thank you, Matt, for liking. Thank you, Matt, for liking. I appreciate it. Thank you, actually, guys, yeah, for obviously being here tonight. I appreciate it. Okay, thank you for joining. Okay, there we go. Okay, looking at some place value work now. Okay, so use the fact that 371 times 93 makes 34,503 to work out 37.1 times 9.3. Okay, so I divided this by 10 and this by 10. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thank you, Maria, for liking. I appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much for liking. Oh, wow, guys, almost 4K likes. That's awesome. Thank you so much. Okay, so overall, I'm going to divide my answer by 100. Okay, so my answer would be 345.03. Okay, hello, Planet 2020. Thank you, Matt, for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you so much for liking, guys. I appreciate it. Wow, 4K likes. So we're smashing it tonight, guys. Okay, next one. Okay, so we're actually dividing now. Okay, so it's the same number, but I'm dividing it by 9.3. So my answer is going to be 10 times bigger than 371. So my answer will be 3,710. The reason for that is because if I divide it by 93, I get 371. Okay, obviously working backwards here. Because this is 10 times smaller than this, to make it so the sum's in check, I'm going to multiply 371 by 10. That's my answer for that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Are there any questions? Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thank you, Maria. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, again, revise this topic here for the foundation sheet tier as well, okay, as well as higher tier. Okay, there we go. Okay, write 32% as a fraction in its simplest form. So percentage is out of 100, so it'd be 32 hundredths. Okay, they're both even, so I can half it, so I get 16 fiftieths. Okay, divide top and bottom by 2 again. Thank you, Lisa, actually for liking it. Thank you, Lisa, for liking. Thank you, Mario, for liking. I get 8/25. Okay, and again, this is a very, very hot topic here on a foundation tier question. Okay, they might even give you like 2 marks here for this question. Okay, 1 mark for obviously getting 3200s, and then 1 mark for simplifying it. Okay, oh, thank you, N4J4M, for liking. Thanks so much for liking it. Nice to have you on the call. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you on the call. Okay. So that's how to write a fraction in its simplest form, okay? Remember, percent or percentage means out of 100, okay? So make sure, yeah, that you're happy with your fraction, decimals, and percentage conversions, okay? If you're interested as a decimal, it would be 32 divided by 100, okay, as a decimal, which would be 0.32, okay? So 0.32, okay? That would be the decimal equivalent, okay, to 32%. Okay, so revise your fraction, decimal, and percentage conversions. Okay, make sense? Can I move on? Again, I appreciate, guys. Yeah, it might obviously be actually easy for someone here, but this is just like general revision, guys. Yeah, and general tips here for your upcoming exam. Okay, this is aimed at foundation, but this is still appropriate knowledge for the higher tier maths as well. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, cool, cool. Well done, guys. Good work so far. Okay, percentage of an amount. Okay, so work out 35% of 80. So if it was me, I'd work out what 10% is. So 10% of any quantity means divide it by 10. So 80 divided by 10 is going to be 8. 5% would be half of 10%. So half of 8 is going to be 4. And then to work out 30% is 3 lots of 10% or 6 lots of 5%. Okay, either one is right. Okay, I get the answer of 24. Okay, yep, well done, N4, JM4, well done, yep, good work, yes, spot on. So 35% is going to be 24 plus 4 is going to be 28. Okay, well done, guys. Hello, Harry, welcome, my friend. Hello. Long time, my friend, long time. Hope you're well. Good to see you on the call. Thank you, actually, guys. Yeah, thank you for actually liking it. Thank you for all the support so far. Awesome. Hello, my friend. It's good to see you on the call. Okay, that's a percentage of an amount. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so your key ones to remember actually for your exam, guys, here 10%, 25%, 50%, yeah, and 1%. Okay, so 50% is just half of it, so divide it by 2, 10% divided by 10, 25% divided by 4, and then 1% divided by 100. Okay, and then from there, you're able to work out any percentage, okay, without a calculator. Okay, if it was a calculator paper, okay, if it was, then you could do 0.35, okay. Sorry, let's have a look. There we go. So you could do, yep, spot on, Hardy. Yes, that is correct. Yep. So if it's a calculator paper, then you could do 0.35 times 80, and it would also give you 28. Okay. If it was a calculator paper, okay. Because of means multiply, and obviously that as a decimal 0.235. Sorry. Okay. Spot on. Okay. Hello, V. Hello, welcome, V. It's good to have you on the call. Long time, my friend. Hope you're well. Hello. It is good to see you again. Long time. Hope you're well. Awesome, guys. Good work. Okay, good work so far. Okay, now looking at adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing here in standard form. Okay, let's do multiply and divide here first here because it's a bit more easier. It says work out, okay, 8 times 10 to the 6 times 4 times 10 to the 3. So if it was me, I'd times numbers here. So I do 8 times 4, it's going to be 32, and then multiplied by 10 to the power of 9. Because when you multiply with the same base, you add the powers. Okay, and then writing this in standard form, okay, would be 3.2 times 10 to the power of 10. Okay, because remember, standard form, guys, is a number between 1 and 10 times 10 to the power of something. Okay, if the power is positive, then it's a big number. If the power is negative, then it's a decimal, okay, or a small number. Okay, for that. Okay, yep, well done, yes. Oh, careful, hard shot, yeah, careful, yeah, it's 32, yep, 32 times 10 to the 9. Okay, 3.2 times 10 to the 10. Okay, right, dividing now. I do 8 divided by 4, which is 2, and then I've got times by 10 to the power of 6, divided by 10 to the power of that. Okay, so that will be 10 to the power of 3. Okay, well done. Yep, spot on, Hodge, yes. Well done, V. Yep, correct, V. Spot on. Okay, correct. Yep. Thank you, N, for liking. Thanks so much, N, for liking. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Okay, okay. When we're adding, okay, we've got two options. We can change them into normal ordinary numbers, or we can make it so the powers are the same and then just add the numbers, okay? So what does that mean this year? So I can write this here, right? Rewrite it as 8,000 times 10 cubed, okay? Add 4 times 10 cubed. Well, if I'm adding and it's the same power, okay, I can just add the numbers, okay? So I get 8,004 times 10 cubed, okay? And that would be 8.004, okay, times by, sorry, 004, sorry, I apologize, there we go. 8 times by 10 to the power of 6. Okay, for that one. Okay, so 8.004 times 10 to the 6. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Hello, Vicky. Welcome, welcome. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, so when I'm subtracting again, make it so I've got the same base. So make it, yes, I'm going to have 8,000 times 10 to the power of 3. Subtract 4 times 10 to the power of 3. Oh, sorry. Make it so it's 10 to the power of 3. Subtract 4 times 10 to the 3. Well, 8,000 minus 4 is going to be 7,996 multiplied by 10 cubed. Okay, which is the same as saying 7.996 times by 10 to the power of 6, okay, for that, okay, and that obviously being standard form. Obviously here, yeah, it actually says, here it actually says, obviously work out, so it wants it as like a normal number, okay, but me personally, I'll leave it, in standard form, actually, just for good practice, okay, but in the exam, guys, if it says work out, give your answer as a normal number, okay, for that, okay. So, does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Guys, make sure you give us a follow, please, if you can. Actually, press that follow button, please. If you're new around here, give us a follow if you can, guys, please. Are there any questions? Hello, Dot. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. Hello, user 334. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hope you're well. Guys, if you're new around here, please, please, please press that follow button. Okay, awesome. Okay, so these are your White Rose Maths answers. Okay, so let's just obviously delete my answer here so you can see it. Okay, so these are White Rose Maths answers. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, but my answers are also correct. Okay, okay, so they are your answers. Okay, so again, okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, let's just obviously delete that because it's not very neat. Okay, sorry, being a bit funny there. Some mark workings. Okay. Right, guys, moving on now. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, right. So simplifying ratios again, another hot topic, guys. Okay, so write the ratio 40 to 24 in its simplest form. Hello, Bree. Welcome, welcome. They're both even, so I can half it. So I get 20 to 12. They're both even again, so I can half it. I get 10 to 6. They're both even, so I can half it. I get 5 to 3, guys. So 5 to 3. Hey, thank you, Sia, for the follow. Thank you so much. I appreciate the follow. Thank you so much. Follow. I appreciate that. Guys, if you're around here, please, please, please hit that follow button if you can tonight, okay? Please. Hello, Dan hates everything. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Okay. Does that make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Thank you, Lisa, for the follow. Thank you so much, Lisa, for the follow. I appreciate that. That's very, very kind of you. Okay. Awesome, awesome. Okay. Let's move on now. Okay. There we go. Okay, Mo has some 20p coins and 50p coins in his pocket. The ratio of the 20p coins to the ratio of 50p coins in Mo's pocket is the ratio 5 to 2. Okay, what fraction of the coins in Mo's pocket are 50p coins? Okay, for this, okay. So think of it as here, yeah? Okay, so think of it as he has 5 20p coins, okay, and 2 50p coins, okay? So 5 20p coins, okay, and 2 50p coins, okay? So what fraction of coins in Mo's pocket are 50p coins? Well, he's got 2 out of a total of 7. So 2 over 5 plus 2. So the answer is going to be 2/7. Okay, for that. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Hello, user. Welcome, user. Well, thank you so much, guys, yeah, for 6K likes. Thank you so much for the UK. Okay, awesome. Okay, awesome, guys. Let's move on. Okay, 2/7. Okay, it takes 4 builders 20 weeks to build a house. Now, how long would it take 16 builders to build the same house? So say any assumptions you've made. So the logic here, guys, is the more builders I have, the less time it takes. So if it takes 4 builders, okay, so 4 builders, if it takes them, okay, 20 weeks, it's going to take 16 builders, okay, a fraction of that amount, okay? So to go from 4 to 16, I'll multiply by 4, okay? So here, I'm going to divide by 4, okay? Because it is actually going to take actually a quarter of the time, okay? So 20 divided by 4, it will actually give us 5 weeks, okay? So it would take 16 builders 5 weeks, okay, to build a house, okay, or this house, okay? The logic behind it is the more people we have building the house, the less time it takes. And the less people we have, the more time it takes. Okay, so that is my assumption. Okay, so the more people we have to build a house, the less time it takes. The less people we have, the more time it takes. Okay, so in this context, it is actually going to take one builder actually 80 weeks to build a house. Okay, so the more builders you have, the less time it takes. See, that is the logic behind it. There we go. Okay. All the builders here work at the same rate. Okay. Either answer would suffice. Okay. Awesome. Okay, now expanding single brackets here. So this could appear on a higher or a foundation tier paper. Okay, again, a super hot, yeah, common question. Okay, worth about 2 marks. So I'm going to simplify. So I'm going to do a times a, which is a squared. A times minus 1, that'll be minus 1a. Okay, minus 2 times a makes minus 2a, and minus 2 times minus 1, okay, makes positive 2. Okay, I'm now going to collect my like terms. I've got a squared minus 1a subtract 2a makes minus 3a. Okay, remember it's getting smaller here if you're subtracting, and then plus 2. And that's my answer to this double bracket. Okay, so a double bracket will always give you a quadratic expression, okay, in the form, yeah, x plus a number, x minus a number, or x plus a number, x times, or x plus a number, okay. Make sense, guys? Are there any questions? Any questions, guys, or not? Or can I move on? Is there a certain order where you can put the numbers? What for expanded brackets here? No, actually, yeah, you're obviously able to put it here in any order actually that you want. Okay, any order. Like I could have actually written it as yeah as a squared minus 2a minus 1a plus 2. Okay, a squared minus 3a yeah, plus 2. Okay, but I can write it literally as 2 minus 3a plus a squared. Okay, that also works. Or even let's say 2 plus a squared minus 3a. Okay, these would all suffice. Okay, as long as the a squared here is positive and the 3a's are negative and the plus 2 is obviously positive. Okay, hello E, welcome back, my friend. Hello. Welcome back. Just good to have you on the call, okay? Does that answer your question, Lisa? Does that answer your question? Hello, HD. Okay, awesome, awesome. Well done, actually, yeah. Well done, Lisa, yeah, for asking some good questions. Yes, important, okay? But generally, yeah, we write it in the form a letter squared plus or minus that number times a letter and then plus or minus a number, okay? I mean, they want to say, yeah, you are, yes, that is true, yes, you are day one person, yeah, that is right, yes. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so looking at forming, yeah, a formula here or forming an algebraic expression, okay? So delivery firm charges, hello, Fitch, is it Fitch or FJCHQ? Hello, welcome, my friend, welcome, hope you're well. Delivery firm charges £40 fixed fee plus £8 for every mile travelled. Which formula shows the cost of this, of delivering an item n miles? Well, C is equal to 40 plus 8 lots of m. Okay, so that would be this option here. Okay, C is equal to 40 plus 8 lots of m. Okay, right, it is 8m. Hello, Daisy. Welcome, Daisy. Hello, hope you're well. Guys, make sure you're following, guys. Yeah, press that follow button if you're new here. Hello, Jenna. Welcome, my friend. Hope you're well. Okay, that's my answer for that. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay. And again, these are very common questions here. Okay, get in the habit here of like using algebra to form equations here and form formulas here, because that will definitely actually help you in the exam. Okay. Right, looking at some identities now. Okay, work out the values of A and B. Okay, so step one, expand the brackets. So 3 lots of 2x is going to be 6x. Okay, and 3 lots of A makes 3a. 4 lots of bx makes 4bx. And 4 lots of 3 makes 12. Okay, so what those 3 lines are saying is that this expression on the left-hand side is identical, i.e. the same as the expression on the right-hand side. Okay? Oh, this is so annoying. Why did it do this? Hello, Will. Welcome, my friend. Welcome. Okay. Again, this topic came this year, so this can appear on both actually the higher or actually the foundation paper. Okay. This is more higher, I would say, actually, but again, actually, it can also obviously appear on like the foundation as well. Okay, that's identical to 22x, okay, plus 27. Now, because they're identical, I can compare the coefficients of x. So I can say, well, 6 plus 4b, okay, has to equal 22 by definition, because the x's on the left-hand side have to be equal to the x's on the right-hand side, okay? And then I can also say that all the constants have to make 27. I can say that 3a plus 12 has to equal to 27. Okay? Does that make sense so far, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, so I expanded the bracket out, step one. I'm now comparing, okay, firstly, the coefficient of x, so I get 6 plus 4b equals 22. Yes, I can say that again. Yes, so I can. Okay, so step one, I expanded the bracket out. Okay, so I did 3 times 2x, which I got 6x. 3 times a, I got 3a. 4 times bx is going to be 4bx, and 4 times 3 makes 12. Now, those 3 lines just mean that everything on the left hand side is identical, i.e., the same as everything on the right hand side. So I can say that all the x terms have to be the same. So 6x plus 4bx has to equal to 22x. Okay. So the coefficients, okay, of x, okay, the numbers here in front of the x, which is going to be 6, 4b, and 22, okay? They are all the numbers in front of the x terms, okay? 6 plus 4b has to make 22, okay? I can now solve this, okay, by subtracting 6 and then dividing by 4. Okay, so get 4b 16, dividing both sides by 4, you get that b is equal to 4. Okay, for this one here, I'm going to subtract 12 on both sides. You get 3a equals 15. Dividing both sides of the equation by 3, you get that a is equal to 15 thirds, so a is equal to 5. Okay, and they are my values of a and b that satisfy that identity. Okay, does that make sense, guys? Does that make sense? Does that make sense, Hus? Does that make sense? Hello, Naz. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hello, Reza. Welcome, welcome. Guys, if you're around here, please, please, please press that follow button, okay? So step 1, I expanded the bracket. I then compared the coefficient of the x's. So I got 6 plus 4b has to equal to 22. And then I compared the coefficient of the constants. Okay, awesome, Lisa. Awesome, awesome. Okay, I then solved the equations. Okay, because now if I sub a and b back in, okay, the left hand side will give me the expression 22x plus 27. Okay, and I can actually check it if you want to, okay, because 6x means 6 times x. So here I'm going to get 30, okay. No, sorry. Here's, yeah, sorry, actually, sorry, yeah, x is equal to, sorry, a equal to 5, actually, not x, sorry, I apologize. Sorry, so we're going to have 6x plus 3a. Well, a is equal to 5, so I get 6x plus 15. Okay, b is equal to 4, so 4 times 4 makes 16. So I'm going to have 16x plus 12. And if I simplify the bit in blue, okay, I do indeed get the right-hand side, okay? Because 6x plus 16x makes 22x, okay? And then 15 plus 12 makes 27, okay? Okay, so hopefully that makes sense now, okay? I'll give you a minute, yeah, to obviously do your thing as share, so do your little screenshot, whatever, and I'll move on. Okay, hello Liverpool, hello MJ, welcome, welcome. Guys, if you're around here, please, please hit that follow button if you can. So Reza, Bad Droid AB, if you, yeah, just join us, give us a follow if you can, please. My target now is 10k followers. That is my target. Okay. Okay. Can I move on, guys? Hello, Dean. Welcome, welcome. Okay, Lisa said yes. Okay, can I move on, Hus, if you're here? Can I move on? Or you're not here? Hello, James. Welcome, my friend. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Fazer. Fayaz, sorry. Right, okay, next question. Okay, so solving a two-step equation. Okay, so step 1, subtract 10 on both sides. So you minus 10 on both sides. You get 3p equals 15. Dividing both sides of my equation by 3, okay, we get that p is equal to 5. Okay. And again, these are super common 2-3 mark questions on the foundation tier, okay? And also on the high tier as well, okay? So make sure you're happy with your algebra, okay? So solving an equation, this is. Okay, awesome. There we are. Okay, moving on now. Okay, slightly more tricky now. So solving a quadratic again, both on the foundation and also the higher tier. So solve m squared minus 8m plus 1 here equals 0. So step 1 is to factorize it. Okay, so try and obviously factorize it. Thank you, actually, yeah, thank you, Liverpool, for liking. Okay, so step 1 is to factorize it. Okay, to make m squared, I do m times m. So it's m times m. Okay, and now I want two numbers that add to make minus 8 and multiply to make 12. So I want the factors of the end number. This, yeah. So this topic here is actually on both STs. Yes, spot on. G, you are correct. So factors to you are going to be 1 and 12. Okay, 2 and 6, and 4 and 3. Now I want to make minus 8. Okay. Now to make minus 8, it would be minus 2 add minus 6. Yeah. Yes, it is. Yes, absolutely it is. Yes, spot on. Yes, Liverpool, you are correct. Yes. Okay. So it'd be m minus 2. My actual cursor is, sorry, guys. And m minus 6. Okay. Because minus 2 plus minus 6 makes minus 8. And minus 2 times minus 6 makes positive 12. Okay. That, okay. Does that make sense, guys? Read that, okay. Right, last step now, yeah, because yeah, as she says, actually solve it here, so solve the equation. So either m minus 2 equals 0 or m minus 6 equals 0. Okay. So if I solve the first equation, I get m equals 2. If I solve the second equation, I watched every single maths video and learnt it, and I still can't do a past paper. What should I do? Need to go now. Yeah, no worries, actually, no worries, Arjun. Nice to actually see you again, Arjun. Hello, hey, love heart, welcome. The numbers you do actually have to multiply and add to make certain numbers. Yes, Lisa, that is actually right. Yep. So you want two numbers that add to make the middle term of my equation. So this is here, add to make 8 minus 8 and times to make minus 12. Okay. So the solutions are m equals 2, okay, or m equals 6, okay? And they are your two solutions to the quadratic equation, okay? So guys, yeah, just like a little actually recap here. So factorizing this, okay, put it into double brackets to make m squared. Okay, step one is here. Step one is put m and m to make m squared. Then I want step two. So then I want two numbers that add to make minus 8 and multiply to make positive 12. Thank you, Yasin, for liking. Thank you, Yasin, for liking. Thank you so much for liking. I appreciate that. Thank you so much. Okay. And then once you've found actually the actual two numbers, actually, so in this case here it's minus 2 and minus 6, because minus 2 add minus 6, okay, is minus 2 minus 6, which makes minus 8, and then minus 2 times minus 6 makes positive 12, okay? So once you factorize that, okay, that's the third step. The fourth step is say, okay, so when is the first bracket equal to 0, or the second bracket equals 0, and then obviously solve each equation separately. So your solutions are m equals 2 or m equals 8, okay? Spot on, G, yes, that is right, G, yes, that is correct, yes, spot on. Okay, so Yasin's got a question, okay? So which topic are you talking about, Yasin? Sorry, which topic are you talking about, Yasin? So Yasin's got a topic here that he's, finding to be a bit tricky. Okay, which topic are you actually struggling here? Which topic? Yasin, are you here, Yasin, or you? So which topic here are you talking about? Okay, do not panic here. If it's just that one topic here, can I do expanded brackets? Yes, I can do. Okay, so I did it actually earlier here. So expanded brackets, I did it earlier here. Here. Okay, so expanded brackets here. I've done it there. Okay, 1 second, please, to make sure. Yeah, no worries. Okay, so that is how to expand a single bracket. Okay, so you do a times a, then a times -1 minus 2 times a and minus 2 times -1, and you get a squared minus 1a minus 2a plus 2. Collect your like terms. I get a squared minus 3a because minus 1a minus 2a makes minus 3a, and then plus 2. Okay. But yes, we can do, yes, some more, yeah, expanded brackets here at some point. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Okay. That one. Okay. Can I move on, guys? Can I move on? Hello, guys. Welcome, welcome, guys. If you're new around here, please press that follow button if you can, please. Okay. Yeah, no worries, Yasin. No worries, Yasin. Take your time. Okay. There are my solutions. Okay. Thank you, Liverpool Edits, for liking. Thanks so much for liking. Okay. G says yes. Lisa says yes. Move on. Okay. Cool. Cool. Okay. Rearranging formula. Show that C equals 3p minus 4r can be written as this expression or this formula here. P equals C plus 4r over 3. Okay, so to make P the subject, step 1, I'm going to add 4r to both sides. Hello, Sammy. Welcome, welcome, Sammy. Hello, hello. Hope you're well. Hope it's been a good day today for you guys. Okay, so we have C plus 4r. We have C plus 4r is equal to 3p. Okay, I want p, I don't want 3p. So dividing both sides of my equation by 3, I'm going to get c plus 4r, okay, over 3. So my final answer is going to be c plus 4r. Hello, SC. Welcome, welcome, SC. Hello, hello. All over 3 is equal to p. Okay, because the 3's just cancel here. I'm left with just this. Okay, and that is my final answer. P equals c plus 4r all over 3. Okay, there we go. Okay, make sense, guys? Any questions? Hello, SC. Welcome, welcome. Okay, Liverpool Edit says yes. Okay, cool, cool. Okay, cool. Guys, if it's your first time actually here, guys, yeah, please press that follow button if you can. Okay, equation of a straight line. Okay, find the equation of a line that passes through the points 0, 4, and 3 minus 2. Okay, so we're looking at an equation here of a straight line. So we're looking at, what is it saying now? Okay, thank you, HGS. Thank you, HGS, for liking. Okay, so we're going to have the gradient, okay, is the change in y over the change in x. So it's -2 minus 4 divided by the difference in the x coordinates, okay? So 3 minus 0. Minus 2 minus 4 makes minus 6. So I get minus 6/3, okay, is equal to minus 2. Okay, so far I've got the gradient. So I've got y is equal to minus 2x plus c. Now the plus c is where it crosses on the y-axis. But if I look here, the x-coordinate is 0, the y-coordinate is 4. So the c value is going to equal to 4, okay, because it crosses the y-axis at 4, okay. So my final answer is just y is equal to minus 2x plus 4. Okay? Does that make sense, guys? Let me know in the chat, guys. Here, does that make sense? Thank you, G. Yeah, thank you, G, for the follow. Can you encode in sequences, please? Yes, I can do yes at some point. Yes. Okay, Yasin says yes. Awesome, awesome. Again, this is a super, super common question for both higher and foundation, particularly okay on edit here and also AQA and also of course here OCR. Okay, but I've seen this style of question here appear every single year each year, especially on the edit here, higher tier each year as well. Hello, Chloe. Welcome, welcome. Oh, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. It's good to have you on the call. Okay, that's my answer for that. Okay, or y equals 4 minus 2x. Okay, either answer. You can do foundation right now. Well, if you look here, sorry, if you look here, G, if you look here, it's yes. If you look here, okay, from the start, it says OCR. I'll put the question up. So what is the question? Sorry, yes, and what's the question? It says OCR Foundation Paper 2. Okay, so this is for the non-calculator paper. Okay, for that. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Actually, it is still going to be relevant for you. Okay, it's still going to be relevant for you. Okay. Okay, what is the question, Yasin? Sorry, what's the question, Yasin? I put the question up. Oh, where's the question? Sorry. For some reason, yeah, I can't actually see the question. Okay. This is appropriate for all examples, actually, G, yeah. This is appropriate for all examples. Okay. What's the question? Sorry, Yasin. Hello, Shan. Welcome, welcome, Shan. Hope you're well. Guys, if you're around here, please, please, please press that follow button. Okay. So next part here, this one I can't actually really explain it here, but this one, yeah, I'll just show you, yeah, show you the actual mark scheme. So it says show the region inside the parallelogram mesh here that is closer to AB than AD. Okay, thank you, yes, actually for liking it. So this is looking at an angle bisection, so it's bisecting angle A. Okay, so it's an angle bisector. Okay, so if you're not sure, okay, you grab your compass, okay, and you do it from here actually, and do like a little actually a little arc, okay, like that. Okay, on this side, take your compass here on this side, and do like another little arc, okay, and where they cross, okay, that is going to be exactly, okay, the distance, okay, of AB and AD. Okay, so that is an angle bisection, okay, of A, B, and AD. Okay, so for it to be closer, we want this region here. Okay, and always leave your construction lines on in the exam. Okay. So does that make sense, guys? Yeah, does that make sense? Okay, so you grab your pencil, you measure more than halfway the distance between AD or AB. Okay, then obviously put your pencil on your compass. Okay, measure a little arc.